हीरा मंडी की कास्टिंग चालू होने वाली थी. मिस्टर बंसाली वॉज इन द पोस्ट ऑफ गंगूबाई. स्क्रिप्ट नहीं थी, अनाउंसमेंट हो गया था कि हीरा मंडी विल बी ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा हाई थी बिकॉज मिस्टर बंसाली OTT पे पहली बार आ रहे थे, और जब मिस्टर बंसाली की अनाउंसमेंट हुई तो कुछ भी छोटा नहीं हो सकता.
हेलो बॉलीवुड लाइफ व्यूअर्स, आई एम संस्कृति योर होस्ट, और आज हमारे साथ है द वुमन बिहाइंड सम अमेजिंग कास्टिंग इन मूवीज लाइक बाजीराव मस्तानी, गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी, द बिग बुल and the most recent Hira Mandi. Yes, let's welcome Shruti Mahajan. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thanks Sanskriti. Thanks for having me over.
So firstly you started off as an MBA and फिर आपने एक अच्छी खासी बैंक की नौकरी you left for being the casting director. So how has the switch been and how has the journey been?
So first I would like to tell you that I did not leave my banking job to become a casting director. I wanted to be a filmmaker.
Okay.
I had a filmy कीड़ा, जो I think most of us Indians have. Either we love cricket, we love food, and we love movies. So food and movies is what I really enjoy. So definitely मुझे पता था कि I have to be part of the Bollywood industry. I did my MBA, made my parents very happy, got a good job, made my money, and then one fine day I realized कि नहीं, अब अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने हिसाब से जीनी है. So I applied. I got to know there's something called casting, which is very similar to what I did in MBA. Casting is finding the right talent for the right role. And I got to know, I went and I applied at YRF. Casting was an upcoming field 13 years back. And I was lucky enough to get my first assistant job at YRF. मैंने वहाँ पर 1 साल कमिट किया अपने आप को, 1 साल बहुत मेहनत करी, बहुत कुछ सीखा, because I did not come from a film school. So most of my learning of casting has been on the job. And I think वहाँ से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. And within 3 or 4 months of being an assistant, I knew this is my calling. And rest is history. So I would say that if you follow your heart, follow your dream, then sky is the limit.
Totally. So ये जो casting होता है, what is the process all about? How does it start? कि मतलब when the project is decided, तो ये कब होता है?
So जब project once the script is ready, the production house and the director, they hire a casting director. It's in the pre-production stage, casting. तो उस दौरान पे हमें बुलाया जाता है ऐसा कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर. स्क्रिप्ट दी जाती है हमें, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं हम. स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने के बाद मेरी टीम और मैं मिलके वी वर्क ऑन फर्स्ट द प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर्स. यूजुअली कास्टिंग इज डिवाइडेड इनटू प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी. सो जितनी भी स्पीकिंग पार्ट आप देखते हैं एक पिक्चर में, एक सीरीज में, दैट इज ऑल डन, ऑल द टॉकीज आर डन बाय अ कास्टिंग डिपार्टमेंट.
ओके.
उसके बाद हम स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं और फिर हम ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं सीन वाइज, स्क्रिप्ट वाइज, कैरेक्टर वाइज, एंड देन वी हैव डिस्कशंस विद द डायरेक्टर. डायरेक्टर हमें समझाते हैं, अपना विजन देते हैं, अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग देते हैं, और एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर वी कोलैबोरेट विद द डायरेक्टर, विद द टीम, एंड वी मेक श्योर दैट जो कैरेक्टर जैसे उन्होंने सोचे हैं हम अपनी मेहनत, शिद्दत के साथ उन कैरेक्टर्स को we try and bring them to life through auditions. There are multiple rounds that happen. Auditions होते हैं, presentations होते हैं, look test होते हैं, script reading होती है. So it's a process. हमको बहुत आसान लगता है कि casting क्या होती है. It's such a glamorous job, but trust me, it's a very difficult and very very hard. It's a time consuming and it's a skill. It's a skill which not many people understand. So you have to be in this profession if you are totally passionate and you're for the right reason.
Yes, true. Okay, so now we talk about Hira Mandi. The most important thing about this series has been the casting, and everybody is talking about the actors, the dialogues, everything. So how was the casting? Because लोगों ने auditions दी, या फिर संजय लीला बंसाली already had his thing that he wants to cast this person?
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. इस दौरान जब हीरा मंडी की कास्टिंग चालू होने वाली थी, मिस्टर बंसाली वॉज इन द पोस्ट ऑफ गंगूबाई. तो जब हमें बुलाया गया, हमारी टीम को बुलाया गया, तो उसमें हमें तब तक स्क्रिप्ट स्क्रिप्ट बाउंडेड स्क्रिप्ट नहीं थी, अनाउंसमेंट हो गया था कि हीरा मंडी will be on Netflix. Obviously there was a lot of buzz, lot of excitement, expectations बहुत ज़्यादा high थी because मिस्टर बंसाली OTT पे पहली बार आ रहे थे, और जब मिस्टर बंसाली की अनाउंसमेंट हुई तो कुछ भी छोटा नहीं हो सकता, it has to be larger than life. So casting was of course the talk of the town. उस दौरान जब हमें बाइबल दी गई, बाइबल पढ़ने के बाद रियलाइज किया कि जो प्रोटैगनिस्ट है और एंटैगनिस्ट है, दे प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. एंड I have worked with Mr. Bansali from Ram Leela. So Ram Leela से लेकर अब तक जो जर्नी रही है, I have realized that it's a beautiful working relationship that we've built over these years. और ये समझ में आ गया कि उनको regular cliches casting पसंद नहीं है, तो वो हमेशा he wants me to push the envelope, he wants me to think out of the box, and I think that out of the box जो casting की जाती है वो हमेशा मजेदार रहती है. और इस मजेदार दौरान में जब मनीषा कोइराला का नाम आया और मलिका जान, आई थिंक दैट गॉट हिम एक्साइटेड. they've also worked in the past. So एक बहुत ही उनका भी एक अच्छा एक एक्टर डायरेक्टर एक फ्रेंडशिप वाला रिलेशनशिप था. मिस्टर बंसाली, ऑफ कोर्स वी ऑल नो दैट मनीषा कोइराला इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वुमन, बट वी नेवर सीन हर do a gritty, a strong character role like this.
True.
तो जब उन्हें कांटेक्ट किया गया तो ऑब्वियसली मलिका जान, any actor, any female actor would be thrilled to be a part of this world. Similarly with Sonakshi. हमने सोनाक्षी को भी जब भी देखा है, वो ऐसे कोई रोल में नहीं देखा, एंड मिस्टर बंसाली के वर्ल्ड में आके वो हर कास्ट को उन्होंने रियली एक हीरे की तरह तराशा.
Also, we always talk about the women of Hira Mandi. अब हम बात करते हैं the male characters who have also been so amazing. So, you know, Fardeen Khan and Shekhar Suman made a comeback. So, what made you think of them for this role?
जो brief मुझे मिस्टर बंसाली से मिला था for the Nawabs, that they should look very royal, they should feel the part. इस पूरी हीरा मंडी की कास्टिंग में the vibe and the look had to be correct. They had to belong to an era. And वो era लाहौर का था, एक पीरियड है. उस पीरियड में आपको लगना चाहिए कि एक aesthetically they should fit, other than being good actors, they should also feel and look good. So नवाब और also हीरा मंडी जो थी वो women centric story है. It's stories about the courtesans, but these Nawabs played a very important role. But that story had to be driven by the female characters, female actors. So we smartly wanted to cast actors who felt right for the part, but could also be part of the world of these women. So जब हमने सोचा मिस्टर शेखर सुमन के बारे में, फरदीन खान के लिए, इनमें एक खुद का एक ठसका है, खुद का एक एटीट्यूड है, एक वाइब है जो अभी तक नहीं देखी गई है. We all know that फरदीन उनमें एक रॉयल्टी, अपने आप रीगलपन है, जो आई थिंक बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से मिस्टर बंसाली ने निकाल के, एंड नाउ वी ऑल सी दैट all of them, I think the men have done fabulously well.
Yes, definitely. Also Taha, he has become the national crush of India. So what was the thought behind casting him?
Behind casting him, तो प्रोसेस कास्टिंग का जो होता है ऑडिशंस के थ्रू था. सो वी वर ऑडिशनिंग फॉर ताजदार एंड मल्टीपल राउंड्स ऑफ ऑडिशंस हुए थे. ताहा बीइंग ताहा ने मुझे फोन करके कि मुझे हीरा मंडी का पार्ट बनना है, मुझे हीरा मंडी में कुछ काम चाहिए. बहुत एक्टर्स ऐसे, विच इज वेरी गुड. एक हंगर होती है एक्टर में, वो हंगर जो होती है वही हमें ड्राइव करती है टू गेट देम टू do certain auditions. So Taha has been in touch with me since a long while, and उसने बोला कि वो एक ऑडिशन देना चाहते हैं. उस दौरान हम एक कैरेक्टर रोल के लिए ऑडिशन कर रहे थे. So I asked Taha, there is this part, would you like to audition for it? Taha ने कहा बस आप मेरा ऑडिशन लेके मिस्टर बंसाली को दिखा दो. That's Taha. तो उनका ऑडिशन लिया. ऑडिशन में Taha ने कुछ मैजिक ही किया. वो मैजिक मिस्टर बंसाली को पसंद आ गया. तो हमने बोला कि उसी टाइम पे हम ताजदार भी फाइंड कर रहे थे. तो हमने बोला कि ताहा को क्यों नहीं इसके लिए भी ऑडिशन करते. तो ताहा को फोन किया. ताहा को बोला कि लिसन ताहा, यू नो दिस कैरेक्टर इज नाउ वर्किंग आउट फॉर यू. तो ही इज फुल ऑफ ड्रामा, तो ताहा स्टार्टेड ऑफ, ओ मेरे मतलब इतना साल मैंने स्ट्रगल किया, ये रोल अब ये तक नहीं मुझे मिल रहा, मतलब मेरा तो लकी बैड है, you know, that's Taha. And then finally I had to tell him that listen, there is another part, would you like to audition for that? तो he's like, अच्छा मतलब लक इतना बुरा नहीं है, कुछ है मेरे लिए. तो उसको उसके लिए ऑडिशन किया, and rest is history. We again had multiple rounds of auditions, look test, and with his persistence and hard work and sincerity, he got the part.
That was true. He's actually like very good.
Yeah, thank you. I take that as a compliment.
Yeah, of course the credit has to go to you. Also, Indresh Malik as Ustad Ji, that is also a very interesting character. What was about it?
So Indresh has worked with us in Gangubai. He did a very small role.
Yeah.
And I think he just cracked that bit so well that जब Ustad Ji का character develop हुआ, so somewhere at the back of our mind, when we were discussing with Mr. Bansali, we always thought that Indresh को क्यों नहीं हम सोचते. एंड हमने फिर इंद्रेश से बात करी और लुक टेस्ट किया और उनका टेस्ट किया, एंड ही वाज मार्वेलस. सो आई थिंक इट जस्ट व्हाट वर्कड फॉर हिम वाज दैट ही उस समय जब एक छोटा सा पार्ट था एज एन एक्टर, ही वाज विलिंग टू डू दैट. ही नेवर सेड कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत छोटा काम है. तो एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर आई ऑलवेज टेल एक्टर्स कि कौन सा काम आपको कहाँ ले जाए आपको नहीं मालूम. तो काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, आप उसे कैसे देखते हैं और how much do you put in that character will take you places. True. So yes, so Ustad Ji is what we see now.
Yeah, definitely. So now we talk about Aurangzeb. You know, Sharmeen has been a very important part, और बहुत ज़्यादा criticism उसके coming all her way. So is it just because she is Sanjay Leela Bansali's niece or something like that?
मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आता कि हम नेगेटिविटी को इतना क्यों प्रमोट करते हैं. आई थिंक पीपल हैव आल्सो लाइक्ड her work, so why don't we talk about good things and take positivity in our way. I always tell actors that you should focus on your work, your craft, and everything will follow.
Okay, so were there any actors whom you were not sure about casting, and was there someone you wanted to cast but ho nahi paya, maybe the talks didn't go on?
Casting, it's a process. In casting it happens that it's multiple rounds that happens in cast. It is a process where some get accepted, some get rejected, but it's merely on merit. Ultimately you have to be true to the story, you have to be true to the character, you have to make sure that you cast the right person for the right role. So in that process, some get accepted and some don't.
Okay. So what we say, if anybody wants to get into a casting, want to get into a film, so what is that? How do they reach out to a casting director, and how would they go up to their dreams?
First of all, to reach out to a casting director, most of the casting directors have their offices in place. They have their presence is there in social media. So they should reach out to the team. They should not get influenced or galat लोगों के साथ या गलत चीज़. There's no shortcut to success. It's a process, and every actor should follow that process. If you want to be part of this journey is not easy. It has its own advantages, disadvantages, and as an actor I always tell them that अगर आपने ये पाथ लिया है तो इस पाथ में आपको स्पीड ब्रेकर्स भी आएंगे, इस पाथ में आपको हाई स्पीड चलने को भी मिलेगा. तो जो भी आपको मिले, accept it. And there are rounds of auditions. There is only through make your portfolio, present your portfolio to casting directors, and reach out to them, meet them in person, talk to them, go to their office, give your auditions. और जितना आप auditions देंगे उतना ही आपका क्राफ्ट बढ़ता है, उतना ही अच्छा होता है. In the meantime, as an actor, अपने स्किल, अपने क्राफ्ट पे काम करिए, वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन करिए, एक्टिंग स्कूल्स ज्वाइन करिए, थिएटर ग्रुप ज्वाइन करिए, अपना फ्रेंड सर्कल बनाइए वेयर यू कैन जैम विद योर एक्टर फ्रेंड्स. तो बहुत कुछ होता है. अपनी आवाज़ पे रियाज करिए, आवाज़ बेटर करिए, अपने लुक्स पे काम करिए, अच्छा खाइए, अच्छा सोइए. Because everything ultimately as an actor, it's what you see on screen. So इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगती है और वो मेहनत आप सही चीजों पे लगाएं rather than getting attracted or going on the wrong track. तो अगर आप सही रीजन से है एक्टिंग में तो टाइम लग सकता है, पर जब भी सही टाइम आता है
you get it. Okay, so I have a good advice. So if anybody wants to become actors, so here's what she said.
Yeah, reach out to my team.
Yeah.
And we are always there to help each and every actor.
Okay, so they are going to love this question of mine. Okay, so what if anybody wants to be a casting director? What advice would you give them? How to start and when to start?
Go assist a good casting director, work under their guidance. Be dedicated. Don't come here for the glamour bit of it. Don't make it a stepping stone. आइए, मेहनत करिए, जैसे मैंने सीखा एक अच्छे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर के साथ. और मन लगा के काम किया, कमिटेड होके काम किया और कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बनने के लिए ही कास्टिंग का पाथ फॉलो किया. So yes, that's the only way. I mean, there's no school that teaches you casting. Casting is done through instinct and intuition and with practice. मैंने तो सब कुछ as a assistant सीखा, and I always tell my assistants also that hard work, persistence, and dedication. That's the only mantra.
Yeah, that's only thing for everyone.
Yes, and honesty.
Yeah,
to yourself, most importantly.
True. Also, apart from Hira Mandi, you have done so many other castings like Gangubai Kathiawadi, there's Bajirao Mastani, and all have been so amazing. So, what about Gangubai Kathiawadi? Shantanu became a huge thing, and what was the thing behind casting this?
Mr. Bansali was looking for a fresh cast, a boy who had to have a certain innocence, a boy-man kind of a vibe. He should have something boyish about him. So we had multiple, again, through auditions. We had lots of actors to audition for the part. And Shantanu has this amazing charm about himself. The camera loves him. And he has a very pleasant personality. So I think that gets translated on the screen beautifully. I guess that's worked in his favor. He has an endearing smile. And he has a beautiful heart. He's a very dedicated, very, very honest, sincere actor. उनमें बहुत हंगर है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सीखने को, और वो अपने आप को सरेंडर करते थे. He's a director's actor. So when his auditions were so good, auditions के बाद जब उनकी आलिया के साथ look test किया, just felt that he is the boy we were looking for.
Also, even Bajirao Mastani, it was full of grandeur, and even the characters are still, every social media page we all see these characters. So, what was it behind Bajirao Mastani, the magic?
Magic is, I feel, it's the script. It's the script that is always very exciting, and it's the captain of the ship. So, I feel with Mr. Bansali, now over a period of time, we've worked and we've understood that the casting cannot be cliche. It cannot be very typical casting, whether it's Ram Leela, whether it's Mary Kom, whether it's Bajirao Mastani, or Gangubai, or Padmavat, and now Hira Mandi. So over a period of time, we always want to show the audience and present characters which are not how you would want. I think that's what excites him as a director, and that's what he expects from me as a casting director. That I will surprise him and the audience.
Yeah, true. So, lastly, what is that one best thing about working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
That every film is a challenge, and I get to learn. I think that's what is the best thing. That no film or no project with him feels like I can sit back and enjoy. It's every time like fasten your seatbelt, we're going on a ride.
Also, when you saw Hira Mandi, what was your reaction when you looked at the cast? Like, I have done an amazing job.
More than I have done an amazing job, it's when the audience and your team appreciates it, and when your actors come back and they feel that they've been able to give their best, I think that is the biggest validation and happiness as a casting director. So I am very critical about my work, but the kind of love and appreciation that we get from our teammates, I think that's the biggest high.
Okay, so thank you so much. I loved everything about this conversation. It was so, there was so much of information and so much of honesty, I would say.
Thank you, and so did I. It was very chilled out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you to our viewers, and I hope you loved our chat with Shruti Mahajan.